Ever wondered why sustainable gardening holds such crucial importance in today's world? It's all about nurturing our ecosystem, minimizing waste, and fostering healthier lifestyles. Sustainable gardening, specifically permaculture, is a gift that keeps on giving, not only to you but to the entire planet. But what exactly is permaculture gardening? It's a gardening approach that emphasizes working in harmony with nature. It values every resource and aims to minimize waste, using all elements to create a garden that's self-sufficient. Permaculture gardening is about creating a self-sufficient garden that works with nature, not against it. Ready to cultivate your own permaculture garden? Here are some clear, manageable steps to get you started. Firstly, take some time to observe and learn about your land. Understand its topography, the direction of sunlight, and the native plants and animals that inhabit it. This will help you to work with nature, not against it. Next, design your garden layout. Make sure to include elements like vegetable beds, fruit trees, and compost bins. Remember, in permaculture, we aim to create a self-sustaining system where each element supports the others. Your third step is to implement your design. Plant your seeds, set up your compost, and watch as your garden comes to life. Lastly, maintain your garden. This involves regular watering, weeding, and composting. It's a continuous process of learning and adapting, but the rewards are worth it. With these steps, you are well on your way to creating a bountiful, self-sustaining permaculture garden. The journey towards sustainable gardening is not only rewarding but also an impactful contribution to our planet. Imagine cultivating a vibrant permaculture garden, teeming with life and rich with diversity. You'll be creating a sustainable, self-maintaining ecosystem, while also enjoying the fruits of your labor. Isn't that amazing? So, take the leap, start your own permaculture garden, and make a positive difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!